Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your laptop has the required OS build, free disk space, and a stable network connection. Once that's verified, sign into your school account and enable any two-step authentication or app-specific password the school demands. Then download the official Classroom app installer to a predictable folder. Run the installer now. Accept permissions and grant camera and microphone access when prompted so the app can function fully. Don't skip these prompts. Once the installer finishes, run the Classroom app and sign in with your school credentials. This syncs your classes and calendar automatically. Make sure to grant file access so you can submit assignments and attach documents. Then configure camera and microphone settings, pick the correct device and test both. Adjust notification preferences so you get class alerts but not constant noise, and link cloud storage if required. If class rosters don't appear, force a sync in settings and wait a minute for the server to respond. Now join a class session. Open the scheduled meeting or classroom page, click Join, and choose your camera and mic. You can upload assignments via the app's file picker, use chat or raise hand for questions, and share your screen when instructed. Once done, confirm your submission receipts or saved recordings. If anything goes wrong, first restart the app and your laptop. If that fails, clear the app cache, re-authenticate your account, and verify firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the app. Those steps fix most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.